Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to activate Windows on your PC. Open the Windows menu, go to Settings, and within the settings, you can choose the system. And within the system, if you scroll down, you would be able to see About. So open the About device, and here you would be able to scroll down and see the related product, which is Product and Activation. Just open that, and you would be able to see the activation status. So on the activation screen, you can see my current status is active using the digital license. However, if your system or if your Windows is not activated, what you can do is here you would be able to see two options. One is activate using the product key, or one use the digital license. So with either mode, whatever you prefer to activate, you can just select that mode and activate your Windows license. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.